too. Stay here. Stay here. I'm gonna get you a blanket. Stay here, family. I'll be right back, Grandma. Here's a blanket. Are you okay, Grandma?
Okay.
Here, Grandma. Grandma, are you home? I'll put the button there. Yeah. Push the button. Now push the button, Grandma. Hey.
Don't push the button.
Hey. Hey, Grandma. You jump with me, Grandma. You jump with me, Grandma. Yeah. I have feet. Do you have feet? Do you have feet, Mama?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, do you? Do you have big feet? Are you big, Grandma? Those are hinges. Those are hinges. I have to be careful. On a big door. Stay here.
No. Just stay on the phone.
Stay here on the side.
No, here.
Stay here
Just
on
talk
the
to Grandma, or say, if you want to hang up, say I need to go then.
Stay here and then lay on your side. Please
What are you going to do?
put it and lay on his side. What's that, guys?
Honey, we don't need the blanket. Leave it. Don't need it. Put it back.
Please?
Okay. Then hang up.
Go with Grandma. Go, Grandma. Let's go. Would you like a pizza?
Yeah.
Good. How was your margarita? Oh, good. Are you my grandma? Do you belong to me? Oh.
I'll be talking to your grandma.
I'm talking to your grandma.
That's my grandma.
No, it's my grandma. I want
That's
to take
my
grandma
grandma.
from you. You come get her right now.
I love you, Grandma. Yeah. Uh-oh. Sorry. You love me. Go away. Here, you got to. This is not your grandma.
It's my grandma.
No, this is my grandma.
we had pizza, Chicago Connection pizza.
We don't have any
Okay.
pizza.
It's a deep dish.
We don't have any pizza now.
Yeah. How about you?
Yeah, honey, you're gonna have pizza.
I don't have any pizza now.
Deep dish pizza.
You will.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, when you like it. I think you like it.
Good. Well, I guess Helen just wanted to talk to you for a little bit. Want to tell Grandma love you? Good night, Grandma.
Good night.
Love you, Grandma.
Here.
Okay, I guess she's done. All right, more love you. You have a good evening. Okay, bye-bye.